You guys have been requesting this video for a while now. You guys just want cheaper alternatives, cheaper hair care products and tools that work super well on curly hair. I know you don't have to spend a ton of money to have healthy, nice hair. There's a ton of great affordable hair care products and tools, and the ones I'm going to be mentioning today are available at Walmart. So I'm going to be linking all these products and tools down below. This video is in collaboration with Walmart, so thank you so much, Walmart, for collaborating with me in this video. Some of these products I have used already in the past. I love Hairitage by Mindy, Hair Proud, and this is actually one that I'm going to be trying today. The Tresemme Keratin Smooth Spray. So I'm really interested in seeing how this is going to work on my hair. I've heard great things about this, and it has amazing reviews online. So very excited about this. But I have to say, what I'm mostly excited to try today is the Revlon One Step Plus, but this one is different. This is new, and it is the 3X ceramic for a smoother glide. So the brush is different than the Plus original, I guess. So yeah, let's try it out and see how it works. I actually ordered everything from Walmart yesterday, and today already I got everything in the mail. So yeah, the shipping at Walmart is so fast. I'm gonna start with the Hairitage by Mindy Light as a Feather Leave-In Conditioner. Hairitage by Mindy is one of my favorite hair care brands at Walmart, hands down. All their products just work super well for my curly hair. So I'm just applying a little bit of this leave-in conditioner right now to my hair. Not a ton, because I am going to be adding more product to my hair. I'm just going to detangle my hair very quickly. So now I'm going to add a little bit of the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Spray. Since this is my first time trying this, I'm just going to add a little bit of this to my hair because I don't know if this is going to feel light or heavy. So I'm just going to add a little tiny bit. And now I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections. I'll try to part it in the middle, and then I'll do the top section and the bottom section. So I'll just part this right in the middle, this side, clip it up. Since the bottom section is still pretty big, I'm going to divide it into 2 again. I'm going to open the Revlon Plus, and let's see how much more different it looks than the original. So the base is exactly the same, but what's different is the brush. So let's see what that looks like. Here it is. This is what it looks like. So basically this red part in here has 3 times more ceramic than the Plus original. Let's call it the Plus original. But both brushes are the same size. They are pretty much the same bristles and everything. It's just this right here, that ceramic in there is what's gonna make it different. So let's try it out and see if it actually gives me a different look. Before I do this section, I do want to add a little bit of this Hair Proud spray. This is the Glass Hair Heat Activated Smoothing Shine Spray. So I like to compare this to the Color Wow Dream Coat, which is also sold at Walmart, by the way, if you didn't know that. They do sell that at Walmart. So I'll link that down below if you guys want to check it out. I love the Color Wow Dream Coat. It is so good. But this is very similar to that product. It reminds me so much of that product, but it is way more affordable. It's only like $7. I just apply this section per section before adding heat to my hair. This activates with the heat. So section per section, remember. Spray it right before adding heat to your hair. And this is supposed to make your hair super shiny. It's supposed to give you very smooth results. So I really hope my hair doesn't get frizzy with all these products that I'm using and this new brush. This also has the same heat settings as the Plus: cool, low, medium, and high. I try to not use it on the high heat setting unless my hair is completely dry, but I like to start on the medium heat setting on wet hair. It just feels a lot more gentle on my hair. So let's do it. This gets super hot. Like, I don't feel like I have to go up to the highest heat setting. Definitely don't use it in the high heat setting unless you are using it on dry hair. But on wet hair, wow, this gets hot. Love it. You guys see the shine that I'm getting right now? It looks so nice. Wow. I forgot how much I love the Revlon Plus. Wow, absolutely love that. And I really like that new brush. It does feel very smooth. Wow, my hair feels amazing right now. It really feels amazing. I can't wait to see the final look. Yeah, I absolutely love that. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this section right here with the Plus original. Again, use the Hair Proud spray. Just add this on the section that you're going to be working on. So do this section per section. All these products actually feel super light and my hair just feels amazing. It feels super soft. So I'm going to be doing this section with the Plus Original. So let's get right into that. Also in the medium heat setting, and let's see if we can notice a difference. I love the Revlon Plus. I really do. And there you have it. Wow, that was also super nice. I actually really like this side as well. So this is what the Plus Original side looks like. Also super nice. By the way, this new one is currently on sale at Walmart for like 40 bucks. The products are like $8 each, and then the hair tool is like $40. I feel like this side looks a little bit shinier. So this is the new one and this is the old one. What do you guys think? Which hair tool is better? Or which one gives me a smoother look, more shine? I'm gonna do one side with the new one side with the old one, and I'll be back with the final look. I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts. And yeah, I'm very excited to see how my hair is gonna look at the end because I'm shocked. I'm shocked. So yeah, I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have to say I am just very impressed with these hair tools and these products. It literally looks like if I got a professional blowout. It really looks so smooth, and I only use the Revlon Plus and these 3 products, which I will be linking down below, by the way. I am very impressed with both sides actually. I really like the Plus Original, which is this one. So this side is with the original, really like it, and then this side also looks really good with the new Plus. The shine that I got with these hair tools and these products, like, do you guys see that shine? I am just very impressed with the shine that I got. I don't know if I noticed a huge difference on both hair tools. This side of my hair is a lot curlier than this side, so I do feel like the Plus Original did an amazing job on, you know, smoothing out this side, and the new Plus left this side looking amazing. It looks very straight, very smooth, and it looks extremely shiny. I feel like this side looks a little tiny bit shinier than this side. Do you guys think that there's a huge difference? I don't notice a huge difference. I think they're both great hair tools, and I used it in the medium heat setting for both sides. So the medium heat setting is more than enough. I promise you, use the medium heat setting on wet hair, and if you want a little bit of extra heat, once your hair is completely dry, like for example maybe now, I would go in with the high heat setting. Maybe, I don't even feel like I need that right now. I mean, it is very humid outside, so I might touch up this blowout in the high heat setting, but that's once your hair is completely dry. I just feel like you're able to keep your hair a lot healthier that way. Take advantage of the medium heat setting and use it. Use it when your hair is wet, when your hair is completely dry. If you want to touch up your hair, lock in the style with the high heat setting, definitely do that. But the medium heat setting is it. I love the medium heat setting. So I'm so glad that Revlon did that and that they added that to the Plus. It is a huge plus. But anyways, I am so corny, guys. Sometimes I have dad jokes. It's hilarious. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you again, Walmart, for sponsoring this video, and I'm going to be linking everything down below. Check out walmart.com. They have amazing hair tools, amazing hair products at a very affordable price. All of these were under 10 bucks each, so you can't beat that. I mean, that is such a good deal. And the Plus was actually on sale for 40 bucks, so also an amazing deal. And the results are very nice. I am very happy with the results. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.